Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to connect Sony LinkBuds headphones to your phone. Before I begin, make sure the headphones are charged. So at first, press the button on the case to open it. Pay attention to the indicator light. Then, press and hold the button on the back of the case until the indicator light starts blinking blue. When it happens, release the button. Then, place your case with headphones near your phone. Open iPhone, search Bluetooth and turn it on. After that, find LinkBuds and select it. After that, go to App Store, search Sony Headphones Connect. If you don't have this app, download it and install it. Launch the app, select your country, agree to the terms and click Start. Scroll down and confirm the permission. Now open it. Close and close. The app will start searching for the earbuds. My headphones were connected successfully, but if you have some issues like the app doesn't find the earbuds right away, try pairing again. Make sure the earbuds are properly seated on the pins in the case. Or hold the button on the back of the case again. If everything went well, skip unnecessary screens, go to the main screen of the app and make sure the earbuds are connected. And that's all. I hope this video was very helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Bye!